Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Let's start with the reading, okay? This is going to be right from, I suppose, 9th and so on, 9th August and so on, okay? I get this vibe of like, I'm sorry, I apologize, but that's how the message is coming, like unable to say something but want, desire, wanting something. Now I saw eggplant, like that's the brinjal, aubergine, different words. You may check by yourself the symbolism, what is happening with you, but I kind of get this vibe of desire when this enters. In some cases it is luck, something that is coming up, something that makes you happy. This may be someone in particular as male energy wanting or desiring something. It's also someone who is desiring the connection to the level of having a baby with someone. So if you're planning on, if you want, then this is also going that way. I also get this energy of someone who is feeling that what should I do, because I want to be here and I also want to be there. Like this is about the connection, the midst of two possible, two of wands energy. And someone over here is having self questions of who does that. Maybe Aquarians are having themselves the questions within self. Who does that? Should I do that? You know? I'll take it slow, guys. Someone might be taking things slow, you know, feeling that urge. I see that's the urge, desire. Someone is getting attracted towards someone. Something is coming like a brinjal in your life. It's being rolled in your life. There's going to be, you can put that in word mess, chaos, because choices will be there. The desire, the fantasy, the and also unleashing those desires. Attraction. 7 of Cups energy. What to pick, what not to pick. What to deal, what not to deal. I want that too. How long you can go with this change of the scenario and the climate. Let's just bird season. Something is very confusing in your life. Now this may be regarding your work. This may be regarding your current relationship. 5 of Pentacles is the energy of doing right to someone, but is actually not right. This is also big opportunities that you might be waiting on, possible promotion or something like that. Someone is trying to apply in like government services, and they have this high desire of getting selected, okay? And there are then subjects and some things are there that you have to complete or do the stuff. Did I say follow me on Instagram at SSHELLS Shells Running? Someone you shouldn't trust, or someone who doesn't trust you fully. 7 of Swords. You have 7 a lot. So there is a lot of mysterious things happening. It's also about the rainbow. And the colors that you see and you want to touch them. Maybe you people are waiting for the rainfall. so that you can see just the rainbow, and you can have that memory lane or flashback or something that you actually cherish. Possible some of you really cherish rainbows, we all do, but those colors, pastel colors and all the different shades of something, they're trying, or you are trying to capture something. Seven of Swords is something that someone is lying, or there's an underlying truth to this fantasy, or underlying truth to this talk. The one who is with you, the one who is not with you, the one you want to be with, the desire that is connected, the rainbow that you see, the memory lane that you're going in. But this, whatever is, you need to be very, very careful, because there's confusion coming, there is mess, chaos. If you are not alert, if you're not going to be what to say, armored with what you should go for, what you should choose, then this confusion won't clear out. For some, I'm picking this energy of a deceptive or deception in the current relationship, if you are in, or the choices or desires that those are creating for you. Or maybe some of you, deception is also something that you feel is you know, and you're trying to make yourself believe in, but it's actually not there. It is on the base of deception. So someone is wearing a false mask. You're lying to someone, or someone is lying to you. You're connecting with someone online as well. To be honest, if this is about your person's energy, they don't believe you. You're coming in certain connection. 3 of Cups energy, 3 of Hearts, which is, there's in your present, there's going to be certain connection which may show you rainbow, which may be beautiful for time being, like in the moment. But do you know where this is coming from? Do you know where you are getting attracted to? Do you know where you are heading with this? Because 7 of Cups is, yes, desires and also confusions, that what you should choose, what is right, what is not right for you. It's also 3 of Cups, so maybe it's about being too nice to someone, or opening up, or having this connection of friendship with someone. Some of you are totally single, new friendship is coming in the picture, but just friendship. I'm not talking about directly going to the love matter. Okay? It's not even possible. God. Something that happens fast is going to ruin the pathway. Okay. So you have Queen of Swords energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius might be connected with you, or this may be your own energy. However, this may be King as well. You have 10 of Pentacles. Some of you are married. Being too nice, or being coming, like this 3 of Cups is also reunion. Like you so wanted, and it is giving you that happiness and different thing and all that. But then again, you're lying. You're in deception. And to whom you are lying? To 4 of Wands, to your connection that you are in, because I see some of you are married. Some of you are in committed relationships already. Some of you might be having this connection at work with someone. Now this may be just the blossoming of something, but then where it is going. Because ultimately it's going to create that chaos that I'm talking about. You're answerable to someone as well. I also see if this is just about friendship and it's all okay, then it is heading towards some bond. Some of you are going to find stability with this person, whoever this person is. And they may show you all the colors. Feels good. I told you it feels good. 3 of Swords energy. This is going to create mess in your relationship if you are in one. This may create chaos in your connection if you are in one. Whether you're married, whether you are dating someone, but this 3 of something is exaggerating. Something is becoming more close. Something is making you more happy. to you or to the person, okay, however it fits you. There's this session of talk, let's talk. Page of Cups energy is the blossoming of something. Again, this is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. There may be someone who's trying to catch up with you, but they never showed you that. They just talked possible in things, and then they lied. They were a cheater here or a thief, and they escaped possible for some cases. And now in the present call, they are trying to come back. Don't fall for something that is not right for you, especially with 7 of Cups and 3 of Swords energy. You know, moment, okay, fine. You know, but can we stay in just the moment when we love someone or when we are attracted to someone? Okay, this is someone who betrayed in the way of talking or in the relationship, or they are doing. This is also for me, it's also the something that is seeping in your life, which is about, or you're letting that seep in your life. This is also triangle. This is marriage concept as well. Someone is in the picture, someone who's lying and denying that, and also talking to someone, which goes with that. Can't control and I want to do it, you know. 7 of Swords. Six of Wands energy. It's like trying to overcome the lie or the cheat, or trying to figure out it's not wrong, okay, or someone who is trying to approach you, trying to overcome this. Maybe they're feeling that it's over because 7 of Swords is underneath, and then you have 6 of Wands energy, which is homecoming, or someone who is traveling back to you for the reunion for 3 of Cups. But you have that eye on them, okay, you know that. Someone is being too free to say something to you, or you are too free to say something to someone. Some things don't make sense. Okay, there may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. Now, to be honest, there is something emotional happening, definitely. Oh my God, maybe you're talking to someone, or someone is trying to contact you, talking, maybe you're married, they're married. There is definitely marriage for some of you already. Now this is Jack of Hearts energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces again, just Page of Cups with the 4 of Wands energy. Someone is trying to seep in your life, or you're talking to them, or you're trying to. However, there's a reunion. Old friends, old pals coming. And it's also someone who is getting close, or trying to get close to you, or you are trying. Maybe they are going to message you to stabilize things with you. You know, hi, how have you been, kind of energy. You have 2 of Cups, reunion. Reunion. Never expected. Boom. 2 of Cups. Old lovers coming in contact. But there is this someone already, either in your life or in that person's life, or in your person's life. 2 of Cups energy. Someone is watching you. Someone is desiring to contact you and connect with you, and you also possible. No matter how hard I try to stop, you're going to have this juggle. Someone is trying to seep in your life. Defenses up, huh? Do not allow this person if you are married, if you're with someone. Because if it is from past and it was whatever your situation was, you're trying to balance. 14-14 recording time. 14 is a Temperance, Sagittarius maybe. 7 of Wands energy is something that is trying to enter in your peace. Now, do you really want that again? Is it something that you should stop? What is coming in the future? Some of you have wife. There was a wife. Some of you are in the side, or someone else's. Something is not right. It's false. Someone may be not feeling good. Someone is going to the doctor here. and this is a female energy going to the doctor to have the checkup, and they're pregnant. Some, not for everyone, okay? Creating a huge chaos. Someone is trying to remove that sign. So if there is someone in your life, Aquarians, whether you're male or female, and if you're a male listening, however, or you're dealing with a female vibe, then there is this female vibe who is having sighs, and they're out of that. They're very stressed. They're stressed because their flower is on the ground. They have that issue of doubting you, or you have. They are reading something, watching something, deciding on something, receiving something. They have the proof, or you have the proof. Letter. Again, there is something that is starting in your life. Or in their life. But they're trying to figure out about you. Look, money. Someone is figuring out that staying at distance just because of money or work is giving them the tension and anxiety. Money is also coming reversed. Someone might be feeling that money is an excuse, or you are having that sigh moment regarding your money in current phase because something is not up to the mark and you're trying really hard. Possible if it is just general regarding work. But in the future, you're going to stabilize something and you're going to reunite with your money or work situations as well. I talked about someone who is not well. A doctor is here. There's also joyfulness coming. So being together is very important. Three of Cups, maybe you're going to reunite with someone. Someone is trying to figure out happiness with you. Happiness. I feel like some of you don't have any place for pleasure seekers kind of energies, which is about brinjal, aubergine, like someone is trying to, impress someone. And I share like, who are we trying to impress actually? Who we are impressing? Is that a word, impressing? I don't know. Someone is in deep thoughts about what to do. That is coming in the picture, surprise. So some of you are thoughtful about your money. There is also 6000, 6000. This may be something that you're going to get, surprise something, like money related inflow, okay? Or this may be something, a good catch, kind of, in what form, I don't know. But that is coming like good catch, good thought coming. Someone is in deep thoughts. Either you are in deep thoughts, you don't know how to, you don't want to let this go, or someone doesn't want to let this go, whatever the catch is, whatever the surprise is. Emotional surprise, yes, I do see that, but then again, someone is not ready to let it go as well. Listen, there is this young woman in someone's life. Now, if you are a young woman, you might be in someone's life. If you are male, listen to me, there is young woman in your life, according to this. However, age is just a flow, time is just a flow. We have to give it because it is there, of course. But then again, if it is pertaining with you, go with that. However, this may be any woman. This is also giving me the energy of other women. Or there's already someone who is married to you, all elite and authentic, Or maybe Aquarians, regardless of male or female, someone is attracted to you. If this is this male energy, they are in deep thoughts about you. I also see two energies. One is in a sigh, and the sigh is going away, or someone who is trying to figure out that I shouldn't be in a sigh moment. But remember, I told you that when you do like this, it's good for your health basically. So if you're having little heavy breath, heaviness, tension or anxiety, just do this. Small activity, deep in, breathe in, breathe out. No, not like this. Breathe in from nose and breathe out from mouth. Yeah, okay, I apologize. It's like just do it 3 to 4 times, you're going to feel good, okay? Nowadays, anxiety and tension is part of our life. I hate it, dislike it, but it's there. Your readings are going in a lot of chaos and mess. People are going through a lot of changes in the relationships. I know that. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes to go away. Nobody wants it. Who wants it? I've been doing personal readings as well. Feeling that urge and desire of people. What is that aubergine is for? That's aubergine is all for you, honey. There is this excitement around you, I feel. Look. Aubergine, brinjal that we're talking about, you have Joker energy. It's like something is looking good from both sides. But this may be the dare, because I do talk about Joker as a dare card. Something is in front of you. Are you going to dare about it? Because something is going to roll in your life. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.